ask me where I'm going. Obviously, I'm not going anywhere since I'm making a video for you, but still I'm going somewhere. I'll show you where. Now you can clearly see exactly where I'm going to. This episode will be a bit special since it's 30 degrees here in the office and I'm going to walk the whole time while recording this video. Because I have to show you a walking pad, specifically a very cheap one, whose main features are that it's small, powerful, has a high weight capacity, and as I said, it's cheap. So, what is a walking pad good for? First, it's important to know there's a difference between a walking pad and a treadmill. Obviously, this difference comes from the fact that a walking pad is designed for relatively low speeds between 1 and 6 kilometers per hour, while a treadmill is suitable for higher speeds well. So, for example, you can reach speeds of 12, 16, even 18 kilometers per hour with it, obviously while running indoors at home. A walking pad is really just for walking on. For example, I have little free time, I work a lot, so it's hard to make time for exercise. Personally, I usually cycle, not so much walk or run, but if someone wants to do that, they could walk too, if they had the time. But then there's work, family, you have to earn money, take care of the kids. So who has time to walk for hours every day on top of all that? A small walking pad like the one I just showed you. It's perfect for this, since you can easily put it under a desk and walk on it. It's not too heavy, doesn't take up much space, and as I said, it doesn't cost too much at all. You won't be able to run on it, but this walking pad right here under me, the one I'm walking on, is perfect for burning fat. The thing is, with this walking pad, the manufacturer found a simple way to let you burn about 30 to 50% more fat and energy in the same time compared to regular walking pads. And this simple method is more than adding 2 small legs to the front of the machine, which allow you to raise it. You can create an incline about 5 degrees. Right now I'm walking uphill on this 5-degree incline as I stand here record this video for you. As you could see, it's really not a big treadmill, and there aren't too many accessories either, since all we get is a small oiling container to lubricate the treadmill, and a very tiny simple remote control. This is useful, for example, when I'm recording a video and I don't want to keep crawling under the desk to stop or start the treadmill. I just press the button and the treadmill stops. If I press it again, the treadmill starts. So it's really that simple. Honestly, it doesn't do much more than that. You can adjust the speed, start it, and stop it. As I mentioned, this treadmill can go from 1 to 6 kilometers per hour. Right now, I'm walking at 1 kilometer per hour. The simple reason for this is that I don't want to be wobbling much in front of the camera, but honestly, my comfortable pace is at most about 1.5 to 2 kilometers per hour, when I can still work comfortably. Since sometimes I have a keyboard in front of me, I need to type. I have to look at the monitor, so it really wouldn't be good to work like this because you couldn't type this way. Right now I'm using this treadmill at 1 kilometer per hour, but if someone wants to walk faster, or maybe they don't want to walk while working but while watching television, then they can easily set this treadmill to 6 kilometers per hour. What's great about this device is it's almost silent, quiet, at low speeds, about as loud as a whisper. It doesn't disturb you while working, watch videos, television, do things while using it. Obviously, if you speed it up, noise increases, but even then it's not too bad. You can see it here as I measured it at low and high speeds, so you get an idea of how much noise to expect. What else should you know about this treadmill? Its peak power is 2.5 horsepower, and it can handle a load of no less than 150 kilograms, meaning it can be used by people weighing up to 150 kilograms. It has a small display, and on this little screen you can see how long you've been using it. You can see calories burned and also your speed in kilometers per hour. So this treadmill can do very basic things, but it's exactly enough for you to get in the daily amount of exercise you need to stay fit, whether that's at home, while working, while watching television, or just whenever you feel like it. I could talk a lot more about this thing if only to make the video longer, but honestly, I don't have much more to add. Well, if you want to order it and would like to walk while making videos or working, you can now do so from an EU warehouse. You can order it the link, and the coupon code gets you the 62,000 foreign price is in the video description. If you like this video, choose one of the other two videos appearing next. Subscribe to my channel and come back, because I'll probably be back with another review later this week. Until then, take care.